Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and I also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese yen, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, etc. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, AUD for 10th March 2021. So this analysis is for 10th March only. Tomorrow I'll be coming again with tomorrow's analysis. And do please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you want to check the analysis of other currency pairs, then please do check the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. Okay, so we can see that right now the market is trading at 0.9760. Okay, and after this huge fall, okay, after this huge fall from this 0.9987 or this point, market started falling. Market consolidated for a while in this range, and then after that market fell again. Right now we are not sure whether this is a reversal or consolidation. Okay, therefore what should we do? First of all, we just need to wait and watch how the price reacts if it touches the 50 moving average. You can see that market is trading below the 50 moving average, and as of now the market is in downtrend. Okay, if we consider this part, okay, if we consider this part, then it is very clear to us that market is in downtrend. It looks like it's a sell on rise kind of a market. Okay, sell on rise. Whenever market will rise, sellers will come in and boom, they will sell. Okay, so we are not sure whether this is a reversal or a sell on rise market. Therefore, first thing that we should do is we should wait for the price to go and touch this 50 moving average, and if price starts reversing from here, okay, if after reaching the 50 moving average it gets resistance and starts reversing, you can short it. Okay, because already the market is trading in the overbought territory. You can see that market is in overbought zone. Okay, so there is a high chance that after hitting the 50 moving average market will reverse and you can short the market. And if I zoom out the chart, you can see that there is not much support available here. Okay, so if you short the market, around the 50 moving average, then your target will be this 0.9664. This will be your target. And as of now, no buy calls because selling pressure is quite high and we are not sure whether the market is consolidating or it's a reversal. Okay, therefore the only strategy for AUDCAD will be, okay, observe how the price reacts once it is near the 50 moving average, or the price rejects after hitting the 50 moving average or not. If you see some price reversal, then you can short it. Okay, and this will be your target. So this is the simple analysis for Australian dollar, Canadian dollar for Wednesday, 10th March 2021. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please do subscribe for regular market analysis, and please do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. Thank you so much and good luck. See you tomorrow, and do not forget to subscribe.